Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to use laundry balls in front load washing machine. So let's check it out. We are using the Samsung front load washing machine model, but these steps should be generally applicable for other models too. We got this from Amazon. I'll share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you're interested. These laundry balls have several different designs, but most commonly it will look like this, I believe. Made of rubber material, looks like a toy with small brushes. There are some eco and ceramic balls too, but I haven't tried them. So what is the use of this? Apparently these help to reduce lint and wrinkles, also improves detergent penetration, speed up drying time, and even make the clothes feel softer after the wash. Again, all this depends on how dirty our clothes are, our water condition, and the detergent we are using. These are not detergent replacements. We have to keep that in mind. Now let's see how to use these. First we have to put our clothes inside the drum. We have a 9 kg model and we occupied around 70% space. So we can put around 3 to 4 laundry balls. We don't have to put more balls for better cleaning because these laundry balls should bounce and circulate freely inside the drum. So after putting our clothes, we can place the laundry balls at the top of this. We just have to place it like this. We can put it here. That's all. We should not put these in the detergent dryer. I saw some comments earlier about this. We should not do that. So after that we can switch on our machine and we can select any full length wash cycle. It will be good for this. I will go with cotton itself. We can avoid these balls for heavy items like bed sheets or towels because they won't be able to freely move inside the drum. We can see our laundry balls inside the drum here. Now we can open the detergent dryer and add our liquid detergent and our fabric softener. We can do the pre-wash as well if required. I personally prefer liquid detergent overall. You can check the product links in the description below. Now fabric softener. We can close the dryer. After closing the detergent dryer, make sure the drum door is closed as well. Then we can start the machine. That's all. Sometimes the laundry balls may get stuck near the door gasket area. In such cases, we have to place them properly inside the drum, or we can even get bigger laundry balls. Now once the wash cycle is complete, we can take the clothes and take the laundry balls as well. These are plastic or rubber ones, so we can reuse them whenever we want. Again, this doesn't effectively or magically remove all the dirt. It just helps a bit. We can add or remove the number of balls according to how much clothes we put inside. That's all. Suppose if we are using detergent laundry pots for this, then first we have to put the laundry pots inside the drum like this. Then we have to put our clothes at the top of this, and after that we can place the laundry balls. That's all. Then we can proceed further as we do usually. So do they work or not? Personally, I don't find them really effective, and when we used it, most of the time it got stuck in the door gasket area. But earlier we used bigger ones and this one is a bit small. Anyway, this is a personal preference and I'm not going to use this all the time. These are the steps to use laundry balls in front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.